If you want to track visitors, see where your traffic comes from, and understand how people interact with your GoDaddy website, then adding Google Analytics is one of the best things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add Google Analytics to a GoDaddy website step by step, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you're a beginner. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. This is where you'll create your Google Analytics account and generate the tracking ID you need for your website. Once the page loads, click Create and then choose Account. Google Analytics will ask you for an account name, so enter a name that makes sense to you. This can be your business name, your website name, or anything that helps you identify the account later. After that, you'll create a property. This property should usually match your website name. You'll also be asked to choose your time zone and currency, so make sure these match your business location as closely as possible. That way, your reports will be more accurate and easier to understand. Next, Google will ask for your industry category and business size. Choose the options that best fit your website or business. Then, select your business objectives and click Create. Be sure to accept the policy prompt so you can move forward. Once your property is created, Google Analytics will ask you to choose a platform. In this case, select Web, because we're adding tracking to a website hosted on GoDaddy. After that, Google will generate your measurement ID. This is the code you'll need to connect Google Analytics to your site, so copy it carefully. It usually starts with G and looks something like G, X, 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 X. Now it's time to go to GoDaddy. Open GoDaddy.com and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, click My Products. Under Websites and the Marketing, click Manage next to the website you want to track. Then click Edit Website to open your site editor. Inside the editor, look for Settings, usually shown with a gear icon. Click that and then find the Analytics, Tracking, or Google Analytics option. GoDaddy may label this slightly differently depending on your website setup, but the goal is the same. You're looking for the place where you can paste your Google Analytics measurement ID. Paste the measurement ID you copied earlier into the field. Make sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters, because even a small mistake can prevent tracking from working properly. Once the ID is entered, click Save. After saving, click Publish so the changes go live on your website. At this point, Google Analytics is connected to your GoDaddy website, but don't worry if you don't see data right away. It can take a few hours for reports to start appearing inside Google Analytics. In some cases, it may take a little longer, so be patient and check back later. And that's it. You've now learned how to add Google Analytics to a GoDaddy website the easy way. This is a super important step if you want to understand your audience, measure traffic, and grow your website with real data. If this walkthrough helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.